Applying a screen protector can be really challenging, especially if you want it to be without any bubble and properly aligned. Here in this video, I will show you easy steps to apply a perfect screen protector. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please share and subscribe and smash the like button. And to be notified about more videos like this, turn on the bell notification. So the Rayger Shield screen protector comes in this packet, and it comes in a pack of 3 and it costs around 1399 rupees. But then you can get for much cheaper in the online store. It comes from Techie Take. You can go to their website. All the links will be in the description below. And they make really good screen protectors. So let's open this and see what they got inside. So this is how it looks in the inside. You can see they got a nice enclosure for the screen protector. So inside we got 3 cleaning kit and 3 screen protectors. Along with that, we got installation frame. And before we go ahead with the installation, please make sure that your hands are clean and dry, and make sure your AC or fan is switched off for the time being, because we don't want any air circulation. Air contains dust particles and they might deposit on the screen guard itself. So here I got iPhone 12 Pro Max with the silicone case. If you want to know more about this, you can click on the card right on top. So first of all, we have to remove the silicone case. And after you're done that, make sure your phone is switched off and keep the phone flat on the table. And we'll take our wet wipe. So we'll open it. So that's why we should have a clean hand, because if you have any dust in the fingers, it will fall on this wet wipe and that may deposit on the screen. So you take that and hold your phone in one hand and keep rubbing it gently. Then we'll take the dry wipe and wipe it clean. So once when we are done with that, we'll take the phone again in our hand and just put it in an angle, different angles, and see for the light to shine. With the reflection of the light, we could see if there are any dust particles or not. So here I could see one, so I'll take the sticker and just put it across the phone. You can just blot it like this. Keep blotting it, and this is the most important part actually. So once you keep blotting it, it has an adhesive side, so that will stick on to the phone, and if there are any dust particles, it will grab it on itself. So keep blotting it like this. Once you are done, you can take it aside. Make sure you got the edges right. All the edges are the places where all the dust particles generally deposit. So make sure the edges are free from dust. We'll take the installation frame and put it gently on top. So what it does is that it makes sure your screen protector sits on it perfectly. It will snap on with a click. So when you hear the click, it has got in place. So next we'll take the screen protector itself and peel off the top layer, and it contains the adhesive. So as I peeled it off, I'll take it and I can see the speaker grill. So I'll align it with the speaker grill on top. It is very simple. Just put it on top and let it drop. So now you can see. So it was like perfectly aligned screen protector, and there is not even one single bubble in it. It was perfectly done. So when you get a screen protector, make sure that the screen protector has a gap along the frame. We need that gap because you need to put the case. If you have a case from UAG or some other brand which are pretty thick, if there is no gap along the edge, it might extend into the screen protector and it will lift it up. So if it is lifted up, your screen protector is kind of useless because dust will get inside and it is easy to break. So it was an easy installation, it was a successful installation, and I hope if you get any deal online, you will just go grab it and put it yourself. You don't have to go to some shops to put it. You can do it at your own home, at your own convenience, at your own expense. You can do it. I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe, and hit the like button and turn on the bell notification to be notified about more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day. See ya.